Hello students, welcome all of you. In last lecture we have started topic acceleration due to gravity, that is small g, which is given by equation small g is equal to g into m upon r square, where capital G is nothing but the universal gravitational constant, capital M is the mass of earth, and capital R is the radius of earth. Having its value, when we put all these values, universal gravitational constant, mass of earth and radius of earth, this G becomes as 9.81 meter per second square. This is the average value. Now, after that, we have studied the variation of this acceleration due to gravity on the earth's surface. For that, we have considered the earth's surface. When we consider the earth is spherical in shape, which is slightly flattened at the pole. Here is the pole, while slightly bulged at the equator. Due to which, at the equator, the radius of earth is maximum. Therefore, the value of acceleration due to gravity is minimum, which is g is equal to 9.78 meter per second square. But at the pole, the radius of earth is minimum. Therefore, the value of acceleration due to gravity is maximum at the pole, which is g is equal to 9.832 meter per second square. This is the variation of acceleration due to gravity on the earth's surface. Now we are going to start the new topic, that is variation of acceleration due to gravity, first with height. With height. Above the earth's surface. Earth surface. Now, when we consider the earth having radius capital R and mass capital M, now the value of acceleration due to gravity on this earth surface, which is given by g is equal to gm upon r square. But when we go above the earth surface at height small h, here this is height small h above the earth surface, and when the object is here above the earth surface, then the effective distance between object and earth center goes on increasing. Therefore, the formula for value of acceleration due to gravity at height h becomes as gm upon r plus h bracket square. As we go above the earth surface, in that case, here the denominator, value of denominator goes on increasing. As the value of denominator goes on increasing, the effective value of acceleration due to gravity goes on decreasing. Therefore, as we go above the earth's surface, the value of acceleration due to gravity goes on decreasing. Now, the second is variation of g with depth or inside the earth. Variation with depth. Now for that, let's consider this earth having radius capital R and mass small m. Now when we go inside the earth or below the earth's surface, that is at depth small d, when we go inside the earth's surface, then the effective mass of the small earth decreases. That is, for example, आपण जर मोसंबी कन्सिडर केली, मोसंबी, तर मोसंबीचा काहीतरी रेडियस असेल. नाउ व्हेन वी गो इनसाइड द अर्थ सर्फेस, दॅट इज त्या मोसंबीच्या जर आपण आतमध्ये गेलो, आपण जर वरचा त्याचा कव्हर काढून टाकलं, तर काय होईल? तिथे मोसंबीचा रेडियस कमी होईल, त्याचबरोबर त्या मोसंबीचा मासही कमी होईल. वरचा आवरण जर आपण हा पूर्ण भाग काढून टाकला, जर आपण खाली गेलो तर हा पूर्ण भाग आपण काय करतोय? काढून टाकतोय. त्यामुळे काय होईल की हा जो नवीन मास असेल अर्थचा, विच इज डिनोटेड बाय m डॅश, इट बिकम्स डिक्रीजेस. नवीन अर्थचा जो मास असणार आहे तो काय होणार आहे? डिक्रीज होणार आहे. इन दॅट केस the value of acceleration due to gravity g is equal to written as capital G, which is universal gravitational constant, which is always remains constant. But here the mass of Earth get changes, which is denoted by m dash. That is the mass of new Earth. But the mass of new Earth goes on decreasing, divided by the distance between. Here is our object. Distance between object and center of Earth. Now the distance between object and center of Earth या दोघांमधला डिस्टन्स किती राहील आता? सुरुवातीचा हा डिस्टन्स इथे होता r. त्यातनं आपण d एवढ्या डिस्टन्सला अर्थच्या सरफेस मध्ये गेलो. तर डिस्टन्स किती राहील? r minus d. Therefore here r minus d bracket square. Here the mass of Earth goes on decreasing. अर्थचं मासही कमी होतोय, इथे डिनॉमिनेटरही कमी होतोय, त्याचबरोबर न्यूमरेटरही कमी होतोय. त्यामुळे इफेक्टिव्ह व्हॅल्यू जी असेल ऍक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रॅव्हिटीची ती काय होते, तिथे कमी होते. म्हणजेच जर आपण अर्थ सरफेसच्या वरती गेलो, इफ यू गो अबोव द अर्थ सरफेस और इफ वी इन्क्रीज द हाइट अबोव द अर्थ सरफेस, द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ऍक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रॅव्हिटी डिक्रीज. ऍक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रॅव्हिटीची व्हॅल्यू काय होत जाते, कमी होत जाते. त्याचप्रमाणे जर आपण अर्थ सरफेसच्या खाली गेलो, इनसाइड द अर्थ और बिलो द अर्थ ॲट अ डेप्थ स्मॉल डी, there is also decrease in value of acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity ची व्हॅल्यू काय होत जाते, कमी होत जाते. Therefore we can conclude that the value of acceleration due to gravity is maximum on the earth surface. As we go above the earth surface, the value of acceleration due to gravity goes on decreasing, while as we go inside the earth, the value of acceleration due to gravity decreases. When we represent it graphically, we can shown it as here is the value of acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Now here is the center of Earth. Now this is the surface of Earth. Surface. At the surface, the value of acceleration due to gravity is maximum, which is 9.81 meter per second square. Now as we go inside the earth or toward the center of earth, the value of acceleration due to gravity goes on decreasing, and at the center of earth the value of acceleration due to gravity is 0. Now here is the depth and here is the height. As we increase the height, again the value of acceleration due to gravity goes on decreasing exponentially. Therefore this is the surface of earth. From the graph, at the surface of earth the value of acceleration due to gravity is maximum, which is 9.81 meter per second square. As we go inside the depth or as we go inside the earth, that is at the depth, the value of acceleration due to gravity goes on decreasing, and as we go above the earth surface, the value of acceleration due to gravity goes on decreasing. Therefore the value of acceleration due to gravity is maximum at the surface of earth. This is the variation of acceleration due to gravity.